Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install QQ app on your phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, I'm going to open up my app store, go to search bar and type in QQ and search it up. As soon as you've done that, you can see we have our QQ app right over here, which is simply available, and then I'm going to tap on this option of get right over here, which will ask for the verification. Provide the verification and let the download begin. This circle will appear. Let this blue circle complete itself. Once it's done, you're going to find the open option. Go ahead, tap on it, and you will be able to use it on your phone. Just have some patience and wait till the time as it's shown. Once it's done, it will simply be listed right over here. You can see it's now downloading. That's why it's showing the loading option. And that is basically it. As I mentioned, all you gotta go to your app store and type in QQ, and there is your app. And that is basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.